Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to do my potato harvest. And I'll show them to you here. Okay, today I'm going to harvest my potatoes. They have died back, most of them. And this is the other one. So I'm going to harvest them over here on this. So stay tuned. So let me fix my screen so you guys can see that. Don't look like a lot is in here, little small ones. So I may need to wait a little while on the other one. I'm gonna recompost this. So this was growing more chips, so that ain't good. That is too. A whole bunch of little teeny little baby ones. Not much of nothing in here. Another one. I think I left them too long, maybe. If that's the case, I need to get the other ones out. Well, I didn't get much out of this one. We'll check the other one. So, this is all I got. Another 1 5-pound bucket. Those are not big at all. So maybe I should wait for the next bucket because there is no one in here. I think I put 2 in this bucket. The soil is loose, so it's moist. It rained a lot, so. And this one didn't flower, so. Okay, for my 5-pound bucket. Over here, this was all I got out of them. I put the dirt back in there, and I just stuck the roots back in there too. They had a bunch of little small potatoes, so I don't know if they'll continue to grow. I put them back in there. So that's it for that bucket. Now let's do the big bucket that is right there up on the hill. Okay guys, I'm going to take that bucket right there and dump it out and see what's in it. Alright. Let's see. What we get. This one is super heavy. I think this is 17 gallons. Hopefully this is a little bit more potato. I see more. Not a tremendous amount, but more. And the other one had Hold on. These are just potatoes I got from the grocery store. Well, I think I got them in my Misfits box. They weren't sweet potatoes that I got from a nursery area. Bunch of little itty bitty little teeny little ones. I'm good with little ones. Not that little, but and I think most of these are red in this stack. No potatoes. I don't like digging, y'all. I don't like worms. Worms at all. None of that. I'm gonna set them in my sweet potato. Put some dirt back over here. So it's still really moist. I think my holes weren't big enough in the bottom of this pot. A lot of stuff to get in here. But this is what it is. That's what God gave me. As far as potatoes is concerned. More than what I had. So I'm thankful for that. Probably could have gone a little bit longer. I think these were those new potatoes, if I'm mistaken, but I can't remember. I don't think I made a video. I think we made a video where I planted them. I'm not 100% sure of that either. I've been doing the most out here planting. Just trying to try stuff. But that's how you learn. You keep trying until you get it right. Like I do. I'm always learning something new. Trying to. Don't want my brain to go stagnant. That ain't good for you. That's for y'all young people to keep learning. Because you sit down and get old, that's when you leave this earth. Repurpose this soil for something else. I can put something fertilizer stuff in it. Get ready to put my fall garden, collard greens, and spinach, and all that stuff. Put no more in here though. No, I don't think we got a lot. It rains so much. And I don't know. Any of y'all that go and let me know. We got so much freaking rain here in Georgia. But I was living in Washington State. Oh, the rain we got. I don't know where the rain is anyway. It's always cloudy every time I go. That rain is really freaking rain. I have to look on my sweet potato harvest, but we still got a month or so to go. Pretty decent. Good enough to eat. That out. I think that's it, y'all. Dump the rest of it back in there. These look deformed. Really deformed. Like they all got knots on. I don't know what that means. It's my first time ever growing potatoes. No. This is all I got. Guess they're bigger than my sweet potatoes I got last year because they were all like this. I think I had two that were like this. Okay guys, I have put my box on here, teared it out, so 0. And I have these potatoes I'm going to put in here in a bag so we can see how much I got. I got 3 pounds and 1.5 ounces of potatoes from my garden. So, thought I had more than that, but oh well, it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.